Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel. Well, today we're doing another product review. We're going to be reviewing the UPerfect Delta 15.6-inch foldable monitor. Yes, you heard it right, foldable. A very cool piece of kit, and I'm enjoying the heck out of it. Now, nowadays, everybody and their uncle is working remote, right? You're either traveling to clients or you're working at Starbucks or whatnot. And what you don't want is to schlep around a large monitor with a power brick and cables and all that kind of stuff, right? Now, the unit that we're going to be reviewing only requires a USB-C cable. That's it. That's the only thing. And you can connect it to your phone, to your tablet, to your laptop, to your desktop, and even to your game console. So definitely check it out. And before I forget to mention it, there is a discount code in the video that will give you 50 bucks off on any purchase above 300 bucks. This unit right here is $379.99, so it qualifies, right? So if you want one, check out the link in the description, check out the discount code in the description. I don't know how long that will last, so if you're interested, check it out, okay? So let's have a look at the product and let's see what you think. All right, here we go.
UPerfect.
Okay, well, I guess it's fair to say that that's a pretty cool piece of kit, right? Well, if you haven't done already, check out the link below to this product. There's a discount code. You get 50 bucks off if you decide to get one, right? That's it for me. Thanks for watching the video. Consider subscribing if you want to see more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.